is pitfall number 4 for why people are failing in their New Year's resolutions? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and our desires without giving up. And in this video, I will share with us the reason number 4 why people are failing and they're not successful in their New Year's resolutions. And the reason is lack of changing habits. All our life is built of habits. And a habit is a routine or behavior that we are doing on a daily basis, which very often we do subconsciously. We don't think about it. Things like brushing your teeth, driving to work and listening to music, maybe parallel parking. All this are different habits we have built. And when we're talking about setting up goals and having something different in our life, having different results, means that we have to change some of these habits, because the habits we have at the moment, they have brought us to the place where we want something different, where we want to act something differently, where we want really a different result, which means change. And change is a big subject. And without changing habits, we won't be able to fulfill our goals and our desires. For example, if I wanted to be fit and to run 5K in April, maybe one of the things I have to look at to see part of my habits is maybe my grocery list. What am I buying from the shop? What I'm eating? What are my eating habits? This is important. If I'm eating crisps and food which is not healthy, how am I expecting to be healthy? But if I wanted to be healthy, I have to change, modify it, or update this habit. That's why it's really important to really be aware of our habits, just to start think about what habits do I have, because as I said, very often we do these habits subconsciously. We don't think about it. We just go, we go to the supermarket, we know where the snacks are, we just grab there. It's like a habit. We don't quite think about it. However, if I wanted to change really to be and get fit, I need to change this habit. And that's why the first step is to be aware of these habits, just to think about, just to be aware, just to look around my life and just to see, oh, what are my habits? For example, if I wanted to be fit and run 5K in April, maybe I have to consider my sleeping pattern. Maybe if my best time of running is early in the morning, maybe I better change my sleeping pattern, getting to bed early, so I can get up early in the morning and have my routine. So these are the things we have to consider, but without changing our habits, it's impossible to achieve our goals. Because where we want to go, we have to have different habits. We have to have different routines. And this is what we have to be aware of. The other thing is have accountability body. It's really important to have someone who is aware of you, someone who supports you and just really shares your desire to really change. Share with this person where you're going, how you're going, and if they're doing it the same, even better. But find an accountability partner. This is really, really important. Also, reflect on how you're doing and just adjust. It's simple as that. But habits, it's important to change. And something really important, change is a whole topic. I love change. There is a lot of things we can talk about change. But one of the key things about change is that the big results in the long term, they happen with small changes. When you're changing a habit in your life, a routine, your life pattern, start with the small changes. Keep them, hold on them, then add another change. And in the long term, small changes will bring big change in your life. You'll be a totally different person in long term. So focus on small changes, of small things. Get your action plan, put these small changes into practice, into place, and you will see the great results in your life. So this was number 4. What is number 5 reason for people failing in their New Year's resolutions? I will share with you in the next video. Thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye.